So there you go. There was a line, and it's going away slowly but surely, and now it's starting to come back. So I'm going to give you my email, and you can contact me. Okay? Okay, I showed you two physics equations, experiments, I'm sorry. My email is J B I, sorry about that, didn't look like a good B, A N CH I. There you go. That's my name. JJ. The B is terrible. IANCHINI 1007 1007. So there you go. 1007 at gmail.com. gmail.com. So there you go. that B is terrible. BIANCHINI 1007 at gmail.com. Now, I recommend that you have your parents behind you because you don't know who I am or if I'm a bad person or not. And I'm a Christian, of course, so if you can't afford $35, then make it 30. Because I'm not into money. I'm into persons. And you could teach me just as much as I could teach you. There are certain things that I need to know from you because you have something that you're interested in. And if you do my tutoring, then you'll be able to do extra credit and apply it to what I'm doing. And then I'll learn from you and you'll learn from me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.